The earth is here for us, so we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural liberty, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all the above. If you are called to this movement, the betterment of yourself and humanity, please link me, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. We have work to do. It starts with you. This is like an indigenous plant here in Ethiopia. I'm actually about to take it out, but got some other stuff growing that I'm gonna do a video on. Stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm gonna harvest it. I don't have my scissors.
Ooh, cute.
We're gonna put this in a. All right. This is some type of pepper plant. I'll have to see what type of plant that is. This is also the bell pepper plant. This is also another pepper plant. This out of the grow bags. I reference the other videos for how the beginning process went. So from my last garden video to now is the growth process. Some peppers also, and some lettuce. Got some carrots. This cabbage. This lettuce. Different types of lettuce. By the roots. These are all by roots. This is why I was telling y'all to keep y'all roots. Keep all roots. I actually was about to do a beetroot, but yeah, that's a story for another time. But keep all seeds. Even if it doesn't come out as a flower or something edible, still plant it because it's feeding off to the other plants. Everything is simultaneously feeding each other and coexisting for each other, or it's good for the bugs and the insects and all of that. So everything is good for everything and everyone. That's aloe vera. All right. This is the aloe vera that I already been harvested already, and I had some roots down, so I just put the roots down there, and so I'm waiting for it to replenish. Some of these I don't know the names of them, but I know for a fact that these are squash. Some squash down there, butternut squash. So yeah, so this is the update of the restoration of the Garden of Eden worldwide series. I go to different gardens or communities, pretty much anyone who needs a helping hand. My goal and mission is to restore the Garden of Eden, wherever that may look like. Going to different neighborhoods, lending my helping hand where I can to restore the Garden of Eden. And that is in so many aspects. And building our communities back, bartering, gathering roots and seeds, starting nature-based play learning centers for the youth, rebuilding our women's mindsets to tap into their gifts and abilities. That's the main focus. That's why we're here, to be immersed in this movement of sustainability for our communities. Feel free to link me. Also, feel free to just start this in your own backyard, in your own neighborhoods, because that's the mission and purpose worldwide. The Garden of Eden is not just one location. The entire earth was made for us to inhabit, to support one another, to be of service to one another and the animals and the birds and the insects, to coexist as one. So let's bring all of the unique creations as one for the betterment of humanity.
Restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.